Hi, I am Jacqueline S. Ibanez, and I'm going to report Experiment 1, which is the Bunsen burner. In Experiment 1, its objective is to study the parts and operation of the Bunsen burner. First, I observed the burner and familiarized the parts to be able to follow correctly the steps on how to set it up and operate it. Then, me and my groupmates started the experiment by connecting the Bunsen burner to the gas supply, closing the air holes of the Bunsen burner, lighting the Bunsen burner, and turning on the gas bulb. In lighting the Bunsen burner, we should hold the match alongside and just below the top of the barrel to avoid the high flame that could burn the hand. As what I have observed, if the air hose is closed, the color of the flame is yellow, which is a luminous flame. And also, when we put the test tube above the flame, nothing happened to the bottom of the test tube. But when the air hose is open, the color of the flame is blue, which is a non-luminous flame, and the bottom of the test tube will slowly darken. Based on our experiment about the parts of the non-luminous flame, the outer and middle flame has the same temperature, which is 900 degrees Celsius, while the inner flame has 0 degrees Celsius. Because of the experiment, I now have an idea on how to operate a Bunsen burner and how to determine the temperature of the parts of a non-luminous flame.